Hey guys, so when I used the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, when I was first trying out the Vault collection, I did one eye with this look, and I was looking back on that footage and I thought, you know what, I really want to do a tutorial doing both eyes, full glam, like I want to do it. So that's exactly what I've gone and done. So if you want to see how I created this look using the Bling Boss palette from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I absolutely adore it. As I said at the beginning, I created this look based off of the look that I did on one of my eyes when using and trying out for the first time the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Bling Boss palette, which again looks like this. I did incorporate using the Juvias Zulu palette so I can have that red or that cherry red that I really like in that palette. And I'm so glad that I went ahead and I did this look, because exactly how I wanted it to turn out is exactly what ended up happening. It's so beautiful. I went and I did like a purple to nude ombre lip, and I also put on some lashes. Recently, for a couple of looks, I've put on lashes. I don't know what's going on. Am I starting to get back into lashes? I'm trying not to, because my own lashes have been growing so much. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.